Is something special today? Is there some festival or something like that today?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Because
No,
I can
sir.
see Shahid and Akhil, they are dressed very nicely. They are in very fantastic clothes. Akhil also and Shahid also. So I thought there may be some festival or
No,
something
sir.
special.
No, sir.
Because other children like Niyati and like me, we are all in proper uniform. But children like Akhil and Shahid, they are very nicely dressed, very fantastically dressed. See, Ankush Yadav is also dressed in school uniform. So I thought there may be some festival. Yeah, there is some festival approaching. Acha, Dashera is approaching. So we have started preparing for that, buying new clothes and dressing ourselves fantastically every day for Dashera perhaps.
Actually, sir, I wore this T-shirt by when I gone to play badminton. तब से सर चेंज ही नहीं किया है सर इसलिए
क्या?
सर मैंने सर ये टी-शर्ट में बैडमिंटन खेलने गया था तब पहना था तब
हाँ
से चेंज ही नहीं
हाँ
किया है
अच्छा अच्छा नहीं कोई बात नहीं इट्स लुकिंग वेरी गुड आई अप्रिशिएटेड दैट एंड Chahid's is even better. अरे
सर
Chahid you changed?
he changed.
See
Yes,
Chahid
sir.
has changed. No, but that was very beautiful. No problem at all. But now you are
Sir,
looking
I
much
have my
better.
Goa.
Chahid is now looking even more smarter than that fantastic T-shirt.
Sir, I have
But
Goa.
that also appeared new. So I thought it is Chahid's birthday today. Hmm. And see Sarvagya Bhargav, this boy always sits very decently and he answers all my questions every time. Looking very nice, peaceful, and sincere. सर्वज्ञ स्माइल तो कर दिया कर कभी मैं तेरी तारीफ कर रहा हूँ तो
सर स्माइल ही तो कर रहा हूँ।
नहीं मुझे दिख नहीं रहा स्माइल करता हुआ तू
सर मैं पास आ जाता हूँ।
स्माइल करने में भी कंजूसी करता है तू अच्छी ब्रॉड स्माइल करके दिखा अखिल अखिल को देख अखिल को देख वो कैसे स्माइल करता है चलो so because we have done schoolboy we have discussed that so I'll wait for 2 minutes if you have any doubts any questions in that and if you don't have any questions then we'll move ahead and we'll check what is the next thing I'll ask Niyati to tell me what is the next lesson or poem that we are supposed to do today and then we shall begin with that okay so Niyati tell me what is next and meanwhile I'll wait for 2 minutes if anybody wants to ask anything
Chapter 6. This is Jodie's phone.
this is Jodi's phone but I was told in the beginning that it has been done
Yes,
some
sir.
students of the class
Yes,
told
sir.
me
It was half
that
left.
okay okay fine Sarvagya, I want you to speak so that you may come on the screen and everybody can see you. Sarvagya,
Yes, sir.
say something so that yes, now he is on the screen. Now I want every child to look at Sarvagya's back, his book rack, at his back. Sarvagya, can you bend a little bit towards your right so that we can see the complete rack? Yes, good. Can every student see that book rack?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Those shelves.
Yes, sir.
Acha, what have you noticed about that? Shahid,
Sir,
what
Yes,
have you
sir.
noticed about it?
It is good, sir.
Good, fine, very nice. Why is it good?
So because there are many books in it.
Okay, there are many books in it. And why is it good then? You may
So
also be having many books. Why is it good? Can anyone else
Sir,
tell?
sir, because it is
Sir, because it was
neat,
clean.
sir, neat and clean, sir.
Yeah, it is neat and clean. And what else?
Sir, it is organized.
Very organized. Very good. Very good. Yes.
So it
And
is decorated.
decorated, organized. All books are nicely arranged. I can see in the lowest one, the lowest shelf towards our left, some notebooks are arranged, piled up. If those are notebooks from this distance, I can say those are notebooks, if I'm not wrong. Sarvagya can tell me.
Sir, what?
In the lowest shelf, in the left corner, are these all notebooks?
Yes, sir.
See, and other things also. So, what I want to tell to everyone is, you said it looks good. It is very nice because it is properly organized. All the books and notebooks are properly arranged. And I believe Sarvagya himself does that, not his mother.
No, sir, I myself.
He himself does all this. So if we do things like this, others appreciate, that is one thing. We all are appreciating. I am appreciating you also. And at the same time, there is one more thing. How does the person himself feel when all his things are properly arranged? How do you feel, Sarvagya, when everything is properly arranged, nicely kept?
Sir, I can find anything easily because it is organized. And it
Yes,
also
yes,
looks
yes, yes,
very
yes, yes.
simple so that
Yes, whatever he wants, he finds it easily. If he wants a particular notebook, a particular textbook, or his pen, or his pencil, or his drawing box, or whatever color box, or whatever, so even when there is no light, even when his eyes are closed, even when he is blindfolded, perhaps he can directly put his hand at the right place and he can find the thing. Right, Sarvagya?
yes, sir.
This is the benefit. Now, check yourselves, check about your own room, study room, wherever you study. Check your study table, check your shelves, and find out how is it. Compare it with Sarvagya. Where do you find yourselves? If I give 10 out of 10 to Sarvagya, quickly write in the chat box how much will you give yourselves. Compare yourselves with Sarvagya. I have given 10 on 10 to Sarvagya. Now mark yourselves, everyone. I would like to see in the chat box. Chahid says 9, Akhil 8, Pranav Pradhan 7, Prakhar Modi 9.5. Prakhar, turn on your camera and show me. Manu Lodha 8, Raj 8, Ninansha 7, Niyati 9, Kritika 8, Satyam 7, Palak 6, Akhil. No, Akhil, you have already given yourself 8.
No,
You
sir, तो
can't
राइट
change.
बटन ना अगर गलती से
No,
वो
no,
तो
no,
जीरो
no.
ज्यादा रख
This
दें
is not an answer.
पहले एक जीरो
How
लगाना
can one
था
person give 10 billion out of 10?
सर आई वाज
That is a
आई वाज
stupid
पुटिंग
response.
10 सर सर आई वाज पुटिंग
No, no,
10
no. That is a foolish response. Rishika 8, yes. Okay. Only few days ago, Karuna 9, only few days ago, I gave this task to my students of 9th and 10th class. I forgot 9th or 10th, or probably both. Few days ago only I gave that as a task. I asked them to arrange their study table and their shelf if they have a bookshelf, not their garment or clothes shelf. I have nothing to do with that. And however you keep your clothes, I'm least concerned about it. But if you have, like Sarvagya has one, if you have a shelf for books and your stationery, otherwise your study table. I asked them to arrange it properly, manage all the drawers, and keep it arranged not for one day, for every day. Then they took their photographs and they sent it to me. ठीक है? Check yourself, compare yourself with Sarvagya. Wherever you find yourself, if you found yourself at 7 or 8 or 9 or 9.5, so try to bring yourself to 10. I am lecturing you, but if I show my own desk, you will give me 6. Okay? You will give me 6 if I show my desk. I don't want to show that. But I am also feeling ashamed when I saw Sarvagya. I will also arrange my desk today and all my drawers today. Sarvagya has inspired me. But
So all of the 2 copies are my rough copies only.
rough copies only? And where are your fair notebooks then?
Sir, on my study table.
Okay.
Sir,
Leave it. See, he keeps it all nicely arranged. Good.
And sir, here I am making a small library for me.
Very nice. Very nice. Good. Good. So, inspired by Sarvagya, I will also arrange all the drawers of my desk, and my desk also. I'll keep the things arranged today, and I hope everybody is inspired. है ना? हम ऐसा अपने आप को अरेंज करके रखें, मैनेज करके रखें कि हम किसी भी वक्त अपना कैमरा ऑन कर सकते हैं और हमारा बैकग्राउंड अगर दिखाई दे तो अच्छा लगे, है ना? चलो. So next lesson is, this is Jodi's fawn. Now what is fawn?
Sir, baby of hope. Doe, sorry.
हाँ, a young one of a doe.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Now what is a doe?
Sir, a deer.
Male or female?
Sir, female.
Male or female? अच्छा.
Sir, female.
अच्छा. Okay. And who is Jodi here?
A child.
Sir, a child.
Protagonist child here. Okay, very nice. Can someone tell me what is this story about?
Sir, may I?
Sir, may I? Sir, Akhil.
No, before Akhil, somebody else asked for the permission. Who is that? Yes.
Sir. Sir, Prakhar.
Beta. Prakhar. Prakhar, you gave yourself 9.5. Turn your camera on. Acha, nothing is there at your back. Okay, no problem. You gave 9.5 and I'm happy that you also keep your things arranged. Yes, beta, tell.
Yes, sir. So this story is about a small boy who was Jodi. Actually, his father was bitten by a rattlesnake. So instead of going to doctor to treat a small bit, so they quickly kill a doe and use it heart and liver to draw out the poison.
Okay.
So, but the Jodis was worried about the fawn left alone in the jungle. He was worried about him that the fawn is getting afraid and fawn is getting frightened in the jungle and he was alone. So he finally went to his father and asked him that can I bring the fawn here, bring it here. So his father was confused and he was finally gave him permission to bring the fawn at home. Then he also take the permission of his mother and convince them, and finally he went in the jungle with Melville. on horse. Then, sir, he escaped the fawn from the jungle and bring it.
Rescued. Not escaped. Rescued. Freed. Brought it home. है ना? Yes. Continue, beta.
Done.
Acha, you don't want to tell what all happened in the way, but somehow, did he face difficulties in bringing the fawn home?
Yes, sir.
So may I
Okay,
say-
Akhil wants to add something to it. Beta, in short, quickly.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Sir, when the Jodi was going with the millman, who was that? I don't know. When he was going to a jungle, sir, that the mill, who was that? So yes, sir. The male is Jody said that he want to be left alone. And he will rescue the fawn alone. But the Millwheel was afraid that like his father, he would be lost in the jungle or would be bitten by a rattlesnake.
Okay, my question to class. Why do you think Jody decided to go to jungle and fetch that fawn?
So may I?
What was the reason? No, not you. Somebody else. Somebody else. What was the reason?
So may I? Sir,
Yes.
so maybe Jody liked the phone and he was worried about that how will he survive without a mother and maybe some other big animal can hurt him.
You told 2, 3 things. One is that probably he liked the fawn. This is one thing. And another reason you gave is that he was concerned. He was worried about Jody's fawn's life because fawn is quite very small, very tender, weak to save itself, protect itself from other dangerous animals. So he was afraid that some other animal of prey, some other carnivorous animal might kill it and eat it. So, being concerned about the survival of fawn, he decided to go to the jungle and fetch it. Is this what you wanted to say?
Yes, sir.
Do all others agree with this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. How many of you are with Jody? What Jody decided to do or what he did
Sir,
was correct.
I am with him.
Write I in the chat section if you are with Jody. If you acknowledge his action. Only 2, 3, 4. Only 4 students. Now 5, 6. You're very slow in writing I. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The strength here is 22. Akhil, mute yourself. Mute yourself. Now sing. If you sing a song with your mic on, everybody will listen to that, and probably everybody doesn't like that. So only 12 students have responded out of 22, which means other 10 students are not with Jody. Who are those other 9, 10 students? Out of 10, 1 is my name. Okay, write in the chat section who thinks that what Jody did was not correct or he shouldn't have done that. He shouldn't have tried to go to the jungle and fetch the fawn. Now write I, who thinks that Jody shouldn't have taken that risk of going to jungle to get the fawn. There was a great risk. He risked himself. He could have injured. He could have been attacked by some other animal. So he shouldn't have tried to do this all alone. Though he was not alone, but later on he was alone. Sarvagya thinks he shouldn't have done that. Okay. And who else thinks that he shouldn't have gone to jungle? No one else. Then remaining 8 children, are they present or are they away from the system? Because they have neither responded on this side nor on that side. Acha, Sarvagya,
Yes, sir.
what is your reason?
So my reason is that Jody take that phone at home. Then maybe her mother was founding him, and if he doesn't found him in 2-3 days, maybe he think that he will never be found.
But sir, his mother was
Just
died.
I couldn't understand what is Sarvagya trying to say.
So Sarvag is saying that that Jody would take the phone at his home, and the phone's mother would be worried that where is he, and she may thought that
Did you mean this Sarvagya?
she will not find it. She will not find
Phone's
him.
mother.
Yes, sir.
Phone's
but-
mother is already dead, beta.
Yes, sir. The phone's mother is died. Sir,
Phone's
Jody
mother
only
that
killed him to save his
has
father.
already been killed. That's why Jody went there to get it. Okay, let us talk about the story first. Then I'll ask some more questions.
Sir, may I?
Story is very good. No, wait. I'll finish it quickly. There is one boy, Jody. He with his father went to jungle once. Okay. And can anyone tell me what was his father's name?
So Penny.
Penny.
Baxter. Baxter. Penny Baxter. है ना? ठीक है? So they went to jungle once, and what happens? Jody's father was bitten by a snake, and this boy who was telling Prakar told that it was a rattlesnake, which is a venomous snake, poisonous snake. Now, in the jungle, there was no way of curing Jody's father after being bitten by that poisonous snake. They knew one way, and the way was use a doe's liver and Prakhar. What else? Heart and liver.
Yes, sir. Heart and liver to draw out.
Yes.
Yes. So there was only one way. Use a doe's heart and liver means you need to kill the doe first. उसको मार दो. Take its heart and liver and use it some way. We don't know what, to rub it on the wound or whatever. So if you rub it on the wound, then the poison will be drawn out. This was something that they knew, and this was the only option left. Otherwise, Jody's father would have died. So they did that. They killed one doe, took its heart and liver, and saved Jody's father's life. They came back home. Now what happened when they killed the doe? This doe was a mother of a very young fawn. Having returned home, Jody was worried. First thing is, father was recovering. Father was also not well, was bitten by snake, somehow survived. So he recovered fine. But Jody kept on thinking about that young fawn. That poor, tender, delicate, weak fawn is in jungle, who is completely dependent on its mother, and in absence of its mother, it won't be able to survive. It probably feeds only on mother's milk. If it doesn't get mother's milk, it will die. It may be attacked by other animals and it may die. Or it would be really, really scared when it finds its mother dead. इतना छोटा सा है. So all these thoughts worried Jody, and next morning he goes to his father and tells him one thing: we need to pay back. Does anything come for free? भाई कोई चीज फ्री में मिलती है क्या? You used its mother's body, its mother's organ to save your life. See, if you go to any hospital, if you are treated by a doctor, if medicine is given, prescribed, don't you need to pay back for that? Do you get all that treatment or medicine free of cost? You need to pay back. Nothing comes free. This was the question of saving father's life. And who saved father's life? Do. Do saved father's life. Now, is it not your responsibility to give something back to Do? Though Do is killed, dead, but its fawn is alive. So by bringing it home, by rearing it, by domesticating it, by taking care of it, you can pay back at least. This was his thought. Father was convinced. But father says one thing: go and ask for your mother's permission. Story of every household. If a child goes to his father, do you agree it happens? If you go to your father for something's permission, father says, go and ask your mama.
It's true. It's true.
Go and ask your mama.
Yes, sir.
I don't know. I can't
Yes,
allow.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Acha. That's why I'm saying it is the story of every home. That father will send you to your mother. मुझे नहीं पता जा. Ask your mama. If she allows, I have no problem. There may be two reasons. Mama is more important at home, or maybe because she knows everything about household, so she takes such decisions. One thing. Or maybe father is not courageous enough to take a decision without mama's permission. So he sends you
Sir,
to.
there can be a third reason also.
हाँ बता.
Sir, maybe our fathers don't want to directly say no to our.
So he wants to shoot you with his gun mounted on mama's shoulder. मम्मा के कंधे पे बंदूक रख के चलाना चाहते हैं. This is what Sarvagya is saying. Okay, that may also be a reason. ठीक है. Maybe fathers know that for children these days it's not very easy to convince mama. There was a time when mothers were easily convinced, but now it's hard to convince mummy. It's easier to convince papa, right? Papas are even more soft-hearted these days.
Sir, but not in my case. सर अगर सर
That's
मैं
why
जब
I'm
मम्मी
asking.
की परमिशन ले लूं सर पापा की परमिशन लेनी पड़ती मम्मी को तो बोलती है बेटा जब पापा की परमिशन लेके आ.
ठीक है. One person guides you to another and another person guides you to further another. यही चलता रहता है. हमको बीच में इधर उधर घुमाते रहते हैं like a pendulum. Papa sends to mama and mama sends to papa. He was sent to mother. He tells mother that I want to bring Fawn home. And when he tells this, mama की जो kettle थी, she was surprised, she was astonished. और जब हम बहुत ज्यादा एस्टोनिश्ड होते हैं तब क्या पोजीशन होती है हमारी? हम जिस पोजीशन में होते हैं हम उसी पोजीशन में स्टिल हो जाते हैं. तो शी वॉज होल्डिंग दैट टी केटल इन द एयर एंड शी लेफ्ट इट देयर ओनली. शी वॉज स्टन्ड. क्या बकवास कर रहा है? फोन को लेके आएगा. घर में रखेगा, मेरे पास एक्स्ट्रा मिल्क नहीं है उसको देने के लिए। इज दिस व्हाट हिज मदर सेड?
सर इट मे बी।
यही बोला था उसकी मम्मी ने?
सर वो तो सर बातचीत में दिखा क्या बोला था।
हाँ यही बोला था। पढ़ो फिर से स्टोरी। शी टेल्स, तब वो बोलता है आई गिव इट माई शेयर ऑफ मिल्क। he says this, that he will give his share of milk. Mama was reluctant. Mama was not ready to allow him or to give him permission. But there was somebody else there. Mama was concerned about his safety also. तू अकेले जंगल में जाएगा, फोन को बचाने जाएगा, फोन जैसी हालत तेरी ना हो जाए, कोई और तेरे ऊपर ना अटैक कर दे. दिस माइट ऑल्सो बी ममाज कंसर्न. Melville says, I will go with him. I will take him along. और हमें उसे अलग. एक डॉक विल्सन भी है वहां पे. एक डॉक विल्सन भी थे.
Yes, sir.
Who forced Jody's mother to allow him to go. है ना? वहां पे भी यही बात होती है, नथिंग कम्स फ्री. चलो जैसे तैसे उसको परमिशन मिलती है, वो लेता है किसी तरह से परमिशन, मम्मी को कन्विंस करके. गोज टू जंगल. व्हेन ही रीचेस देयर, he sends Melville back. He doesn't want Melville to be with him when he finds Fawn. वो नहीं चाहता कि जब वो फोन के पास पहुंचे तब मिलविल उसके साथ रहे. There are two reasons. One is कि अगर उसको वो मिल गया तो he'll be extremely happy. और एक वो जो बड़ी इमोशनल सी मीटिंग होगी उसके साथ में, वो नहीं चाहता था कि मिलविल के सामने हो. ठीक है. दूसरा, इफ when he reaches there, when he finds Fawn, if Fawn has already been killed by some animal या Fawn has died of hunger, अगर उसको Fawn dead मिलता है या नहीं मिल पाता है तो he'll be so sad, and he doesn't want his sadness to be seen by Melville. So neither excitement, emotional excitement, nor that emotional sadness. वो नहीं चाहता कि वो इमोशंस उसके मिलविल के प्रेजेंस में, मिलविल वहां हो और वो सब कुछ देखे. ठीक है. वो अपने सेंटिमेंट्स को अपने पास रखना चाहता. दिस वॉज द रीजन वाई ही सेंड्स मिलविल बैक. और क्या बोल के वापस भेज देता है वो? अब जो है काफ़ी थिकेट्स आएंगे अंदर, है ना, काफ़ी थिक बुशेस आएंगी जिसके बीच में से तुम्हारे इस हॉर्स को ले जाना डिफिकल्ट होगा, वहाँ पे पैदल जाना होगा. सो ही सेंड्स हिम बैक. देन ही गोज इन, ही सर्चेस. उसको डायरेक्शन वगैरह का आइडिया होता है, ट्रीज और कुछ मून वगैरह की पोजीशन से ही नोज द आइडिया ऑफ डायरेक्शन. तो उसने कहा था कि ही मे कम बैक. तो ही गोज एंड फाइनली फाइंड्स द फोन. जब उसको मिलता है तो दैट वाज रियली एन इमोशनल मीटिंग. और फिर वो उसको लेके आता है तो लाने में उसको रास्ते में काफ़ी डिफिकल्टीज होती हैं, बिकॉज फोन दो इट वाज वेरी यंग, बट बिकॉज इट वाज अ यंग डियर, तो इट हैज़ गॉट लॉन्ग लेग्स. तो व्हेन ही होल्ड्स इट एंड पिक्स इट, आप पपीज को उठाते हो तो यू कैन इजीली कैरी बिकॉज दे हैव गॉट शॉर्ट लेग्स. इतने इतने से लेग्स होते हैं पपीज के, बट फोन के काफ़ी लंबे होते हैं. तो व्हेन ही वाज होल्डिंग इट एंड लिफ्टिंग इट अप, लेग्स वर हैंगिंग डाउन, तो उसको काफ़ी ऊपर तक उठाना पड़ रहा था उसको. फिर वो जो थिकेट्स में से उसको आना पड़ रहा था, डेंस बुशेस में से उसको निकल के आना पड़ रहा था. दैट वाज आल्सो डिफिकल्ट फॉर हिम. समहाउ ही कम्स आउट एंड देन विद लॉट्स ऑफ डिफिकल्टीज ही कम्स आउट ऑफ द जंगल. काफ़ी सारा उसको चलना पड़ता है और उठा के चलना पड़ता है, क्योंकि एक जगह ही ट्राइज टू पुट इट डाउन एंड ही वांटेड इट टू वॉक फॉलो हिम. बट जब उसने उसको नीचे रखा, द फॉन डजंट फॉलो हिम. फॉन उसके साथ नहीं चलता है या नहीं चल पाता है. इट वॉज सो यंग एंड अफ्रेड. तो इसको फिर से उसे उठाना पड़ता है. and with all that difficulty he somehow brings it home. वो घर लेके आता है, फिर वो सीढ़ियों पे भी अपने आप से चढ़ाने की कोशिश करता है, but fawn doesn't climb. So once again he has to lift it and take it inside. Then he gives its milk, his share of milk, but वो milk भी उसको पीना नहीं आता था. Then he dips his thumb in that milk and then puts it onto his lips or somehow pokes that thumb into its mouth and the fawn licks it. तो इस तरीके से वो उसको सिखाता है to drink milk or to take milk. That's it. This was the story. I hope you understood. I hope
Yes,
you
sir.
got what all
Yes,
has
sir.
happened. What I'm expecting is before the next class, you all have enough time to go through the story to read it once. क्योंकि अभी आपको पूरी आउटलाइन
Yes,
पता
sir.
है, तो if you read it, you will understand it. Then we shall have a discussion in the next class. I'll share a video. वो हम वीडियो देखेंगे पहले इसी स्टोरी का एक बार फिर से, तो पूरी स्टोरी पता चल जाएगी. आप लोग एक बार इसको रीड करके रखोगे and then we shall discuss the story. We shall discuss some questions. Probably that will be easier for us to discuss questions next time after having discussed your doubts if you have any and after your having gone through the story once. ठीक है, अभी किसी को कुछ कहना है, you are most welcome. और अगर इसमें पूरा समझ में आ गया है तो फिर हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्लास में बात करते हैं. आप एक बार इसको पढ़ लोगे उसके बाद, राइट?
सायराम सर.
हाँ जी,
Silence, sir.
साईराम.
Sairam sir, thank you sir.
साईराम,
Sairam sir, thank you, sir.
साईराम,
Thank you, sir.
Sairam sir.
साईराम बेटा.